Close your eyes for a second. Imagine walking into school not as a teacher but as the principal. Teachers greeting you, students looking up to you, parents trusting your decisions. You are no longer just managing a classroom, you are shaping an entire institution. Sounds powerful, right? But here is the reality. Thousands of teachers dream of this position. Only a few actually reach it. Why? Because they don't understand the real process. In this video, I am going to break down the complete roadmap from teacher to principal with real insights, hidden truths and practical steps. And trust me, step number 3 and step number 6 are where most people fail. So stay till the end. This could change your entire career. Let's start with one important truth. Becoming a principal is not a promotion, it's a transformation. You move from teaching to leading, following rules to creating rules, managing a class to managing a system. A principal handles academic performance, teacher management, student discipline, parent communication, school growth and reputation. That's why schools don't just promote experienced teachers, they select future leaders. So, if you are serious about becoming a principal, you need to start thinking differently, starting today. Step 1. Build strong teaching experience. Your journey always begins in the classroom. Most institutions expect 8 to 15 years of teaching experience. But here is what nobody tells you. Experience alone does not guarantee promotion. There are teachers with 20 years of experience who never become principals. Why? Because they repeat the same year of experience 20 times instead of growing every year. What you should focus on? Student results. Your students' performance reflects your effectiveness. Classroom management. A principal must handle discipline, so prove you can manage students well. Innovation. Use smart teaching techniques, digital tools, activity-based learning, real-life examples. Feedback. Positive feedback from students and parents builds your reputation. Power move. Maintain a teaching portfolio including results, certificates, workshops, special contributions. Because when promotion time comes, proof matters more than claims. Step 2. Upgrade your qualifications. Now let's talk about something that gives you an edge. Your qualifications. Basic requirement, B.Ed. But if you want to become a principal, you need to go beyond basic. Recommended qualifications, M.Ed, Master of Education, postgraduate degree in your subject, diploma in educational leadership. Why this matters? Because leadership in education requires understanding school policies, curriculum planning, administration, education laws. Reality insight. When two candidates have similar experience, the one with higher qualifications wins. Extra advantage. Courses in school leadership, educational psychology, management skills. These make you stand out immediately. Step 3. Develop leadership skills. This is the game changer step. And honestly, this is where most teachers fail. Because they think if I'm a good teacher, I'll become a principal. That's not true. A principal is a leader first, teacher second. Start developing leadership today. Take initiative. Don't wait for instructions. Volunteer for responsibilities. Lead events, annual functions, competitions, meetings. These are your leadership training grounds. Handle problems, discipline issues, student conflicts, teacher coordination. Step in and solve them. Mentor others. Help junior teachers improve. Leadership formula: responsibility plus decision making plus accountability equal to leadership. Develop key traits: confidence, emotional intelligence, communication, crisis handling. Important mindset shift: stop thinking like I complete my duty. Start thinking like I take responsibility for outcomes. That's what principals do. Step 4: build reputation and visibility. Let's talk about something people don't openly discuss. Promotions are influenced by perception. It's not enough to be good. You need to be seen as capable. Build your reputation. Be reliable. Finish tasks on time, always. Be solution oriented. Don't bring problems. Bring solutions. Communicate clearly. Speak confidently in meetings. Stay professional. Your behavior reflects your leadership readiness. Increase visibility. Share ideas in staff meetings. Participate in decision making. Support school initiatives. Truth: management promotes people they trust. So your goal is simple: become someone they can rely on. Step 5: understand the promotion process. Now let's break down the actual system. There are two main routes. Internal promotion: you grow within your current school. Requirements: strong performance, leadership contribution, management trust. Advantage: you really know the system and people. External application: you apply to other schools. Requirements: strong resume, leadership experience, interview readiness. Selection process includes resume screening, written test sometimes, panel interview, leadership presentation. Pro strategy: always keep your documents ready. Updated CV, certificates, experience letters. Because opportunities don't wait. Step 6: crack the interview. This is your final step and your biggest opportunity. Interview focus areas: vision for school growth, problem solving ability, leadership style, decision making skills. Example question: how will you improve discipline in school? Weak answer: I'll try to control students. Strong answer: I will implement a structured discipline system involving teachers, parents, and clear policies. Golden rule: speak like a decision maker, not a follower. Tips to crack it: be confident, give practical solutions, show leadership mindset, stay calm under pressure. Remember, they are not hiring a teacher, they are selecting a leader. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly look at mistakes that stop teachers from becoming principals. Waiting for promotion without preparation. Avoiding extra responsibilities. Not upgrading qualifications. Poor communication skills. Fear of leadership roles. Avoid these and you are already ahead of 80% of people. Reality check. Here is the honest truth. Success doesn't come from waiting, it comes from preparing. Teachers who become principals take initiative, build leadership early, think long term, act before opportunity comes. They don't wait for position, they grow into it. So, let's summarize your roadmap. Strong teaching experience, advanced qualifications, leadership skills, visibility and reputation, understanding the process, interview mastery. Follow this and your chances increase dramatically. And remember, every principle you see today started exactly where you are right now. The only difference? they choose to prepare. If you are serious about becoming a principal, comment below future principal. And if you found this guide valuable, like, share and subscribe for more career growth videos. Your journey starts today.